everyone, I'm going to be showing you today how to solve for Module 5, Problem 8. The problem reads, given that f of x is a cubic function with zeros at -8, 3, and 8, find an equation for f of x given that f of 2 equals 10. And the web wants us to write the answer in the form of f of x equals with our equation here. So first what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to write out the factored form with the variables that we know at this point. So we're going to have f of x equals a. We do not know our variable a at this point, but we do know our zeros. So we're going to go ahead and put those in the factored form. So we're going to have x plus 8, x minus 3, and x minus 8. Now we're going to go ahead and distribute our factors so we can get it into the standard form. I'm going to first just work with these two and distribute those out. So we're going to have f of x equals a, x to the squared minus 3x plus 8x minus 24. Then we're going to go ahead and bring down our x minus 8 and distribute that to this entire parabola here. We're going to get equals a, x to the cubed minus 3x to the squared plus 8x to the squared minus 24x. We're going to do the same thing with our -8 and distribute that throughout this parabola as well. -8x squared plus 24x minus 64x, and -8 times -24, let's just double check here, is the positive 192. Now here's our very long standard form, but we're going to go ahead and simplify that so we can easily solve for a. So we see we have a positive 8x squared and a negative 8x squared. Those can cancel out. Negative 24x and a positive 24x, those can cancel out. So we're left with a, x to the cubed minus 3x to the squared minus 64x plus 192. So this is our standard form just without knowing our factor of a. Now we're going to go ahead and solve for a. The problem gives us f of 2 equals 10. We're going to go ahead and plug that into our equation here to be able to get this a. Our 10 is going to stand for the y, and our 2 is going to stand for the x. So everywhere within this equation here, where the x is, we're going to put in 2 and solve for it. So 2 to the cubed minus 3, 2 to the squared minus 64 times 2 plus just our constant here at the end of 192. Then we're going to go ahead and simplify this out. We still have our 10 and our a, which we're solving for. 2 to the cubed is 8 minus this is 12, since this is 4 times 3. And then negative 64 times 2 is a negative 128. Plus just our 192 at the end there. Go ahead and simplify this even more. So 8 minus 12 minus 128 plus 192. We get 10 equals a to the 60. Go ahead and divide by 60 to get a alone. And we get 10 divided by 60 is 1/6 equals our a. Now we have our a value, so we can go ahead and write it within our answer here. We're going to say f of x equals 1/6, and then we're going to use the rest of our standard form, which was x to the cubed minus 3x to the squared minus 64x plus 192. And so that is the answer. F of x equals 1/6, x to the cubed minus 3x to the squared minus 64x plus 192. Thank you.